we've decided tonight to have a good lunch, and also we're going to be making it using some of the stuff which I've been baking myself and marinating myself. So we got some Sicilian bread which I made on the channel a little while back. Also we'll be using some marinated zucchini.
They are delicious.
They are delicious. And only this week we made some marinated olives in olive oil. They are black and they're also green olives, and I brought them back from Sicily. And
also delicious.
Also delicious. And I cured them for about 11 days, and they're now in olive oil. Delicious. I'm going to show you a very luxury lunch, Sicilian, truly Mediterranean lunch.
I've been looking forward to this since yesterday when we started discussing it.
Yes.
He forgot about it till I just reminded him.
Yeah. Yes, we went to bed and we were talking about
food, as we always do.
And I suggested that tomorrow for lunch we could have this. And then we thought, oh, why don't we make a video? I'm sure that people would like to see that. So there you go.
This is the mozzarella, in case you're wondering. What else do we need to chop? Not much, do we? What do you want me to do with the olives?
No, that's pretty much it.
Should I take the pips out?
At the end, no, I don't want to do that.
No, I don't want to do that.
One of the tricks, most important things when you are making toast for the purpose of what we're doing, is to use olive oil before you put it under the grill. And I'm going to use this oil which has been with my olives and marinating away, as it will be even tastier. So I'm just applying a little on top of each of my slices, and my assistant is spreading with a knife. There you go. Very important to use oregano, and I'll sprinkle some on top of each slice. Again, you can skip if you don't like oregano, but trust me, if you like Mediterranean food, you should use oregano.
Makes it taste a bit pizzery.
Yes, pizzery.
Pizzery is a whole new English word.
And our grill is on, so we will place it under the grill. And what I'll do, as I haven't put any oil on this side, I'll griddle this first, this side first, like this, and then I'll turn them around.
They're beautifully done, and even though I walked away and I nearly burnt them, they're lovely.
Okay, actually this is very simple. What I tend to do is to just lay a few slices of tomato on the side like this. Oh, this is my jar of marinated zucchini, and I've got two types, yellow and green, so they can just go next to my mozzarella. I'll get a third piece over here. My magic olives come in, and I've got green and black, as I mentioned, and I'll just make sure that I'll carry a good amount of oil. And while I'm at it, also I'll spread a little oil on top of my mozzarella and my tomato.
A few more olives I think we need there, dear.
A few more olives, and also a little bit here, and a few more olives over here.
Yum.
Basil, we got this purple basil, so I'm going to use that today. Especially if you're using mozzarella and tomato, basil is a really, really good herb to combine with.
I've actually picked that off the plant today because it's starting to look a bit dodgy, is my word. I keep using a little bit less than better quality. So I actually got it off to wash it, and I'm going to freeze that so we can use it later.
And we finish with a little pepper on top of everything, including my toast, and also a little salt. And if you want to be really, really Italian about this, you can use some balsamic glaze, and I'll just put it on top of everything, just like this. So we'll make Julie's next, and then we can... Oh, that's mine. And then we can eat.
Oh my God, they're so good.
How are you getting on?
Yeah, I think I can manage this. I might need a bit more of this stuff though, because this is lovely. Gosh, it smells so good. I'm going to have a little of that drizzled on mine.
At the end of the video, there'll be a little playlist appearing. I think it's entitled Marinated Food, and the olives and the marinated zucchini, and also some marinated eggplants will be in there. Have a look at the playlist, and also I'll put a separate video on how I made this bread. Have you done yet?
Nearly. How's that? Yum.
Not quite done yet, though, is it?
No, what have I forgotten?
You've forgotten the basil, or you got the basil?
Oh, I haven't got the...
You got the salt and pepper. And do you want some of this glaze?
I suppose it'd be rude not to, really, wouldn't it?
Do you want me to do it?
I'll do it because I think you're a little bit heavy-handed with the glaze.
Right, okay. Let's have a look at you.
I can't get any out. Oh, here we go. There you go. That'll do me. Thank you very much.
We're done.
Oh, somehow I managed to get the thick one, look. Hey, it's the result.
I'll, just give this a...
Good.
Try an olive. We're off. See you later.